Did you know that some patients literally come back from the dead after doctors have already called their time of death? I'm talking about verified hospital cases where corpses suddenly gasp for air and their hearts start beating again. This nightmare is called Lazarus syndrome, and it's every emergency physician's worst fear. Picture this: you've worked on a patient for 30 minutes, declared them dead, filled out the paperwork, and then their chest starts rising and falling again. It's happened minutes after death, sometimes even hours later. The most disturbing case? A 61-year-old man who came back to life in the morgue cooler. Another patient resumed breathing 43 minutes after resuscitation stopped. We think it's related to delayed drug effects or pressure changes after CPR, but honestly, we have no clue why some people refuse to stay dead. Here's what keeps me awake at night. How many organ donors weren't actually ready? How many bodies in morgues might still have a spark of life? Modern medicine can put a heart in another person's chest, but we can't explain why death sometimes hits the snooze button.